So, in this video we are going to go through the setup of the Hormann BiSecur Gateway unit. This device allows you to operate your Hormann automation system using a mobile device through your home network. The Gateway unit has an Ethernet socket on one end, and at the other end there is a power supply socket, an LED and a reset button. The first thing we need to do is connect one end of an Ethernet cable to your home router. The Gateway unit comes supplied with an Ethernet cable and a power supply. The Ethernet cable should plug straight in to any free Ethernet socket on your router. You can then plug the other end of the Ethernet cable straight into the Ethernet socket on the Gateway device. Once the Ethernet is connected, you can then plug in the power supply. The device will start to communicate with your router and the LED should start to flash green. Once a connection to your router has been established, the LED should display solid green. You also need to download the Hormann Gateway app onto a mobile device that is connected to your router. This is a free app and it is currently available for iOS and Android devices. It can be downloaded from the relevant app store for your device. Once the app is installed, you can launch it and it should start searching for any gateway units connected to your router. Once it is finished searching, it will display any gateways detected. In this case, we can see our gateway here. Tap on the detected gateway and you can now log in. The default login details are supplied in the user manual, but it is strongly advised for security reasons to change these. After you log in, the first screen to display is the home screen. If the location of your gateway is within range of your garage door, you can leave it connected via the Ethernet cable. Alternatively, if you need to position the gateway closer to your garage door, the unit can be set to connect to your router through the wireless network. To do this, you need to tap on the settings button. Then tap on the wireless LAN settings. You can now search for your wireless network by tapping on the magnifying glass icon. This should display a list of wireless networks detected by the Gateway unit. Tap on your wireless network and enter your wireless password. You can then click connect and the gateway will connect wirelessly to your router. Once connected, it will display a green tick at the top. Tap on the back button to get back to the home screen. You can now disconnect the Gateway unit and relocate it to a suitable position without the need to use the Ethernet cable. You need to ensure that this is within operating range of your garage door and also your wireless network, ideally halfway in between. Once the gateway has been relocated, you can log back into your home screen via the app. The first thing we need to do is add the operator through the Devices menu. Tap on Devices, then tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner. This allows you to add a new device. Using the drop down list, you need to select the type of automation system that you are using. In this case, a vertically running garage door. You can also name your device, in this case a Supramatic, and then click Next. There are two options to connect the gateway to your automation system. You can code an existing working hand transmitter into the gateway or code the gateway directly into your automation system. In this instance, we are going to code an existing hand transmitter into the gateway. So we need to make sure that there is a tick in the Inherit from Hand Transmitter box. There are a number of control options for Hormann automation systems, but for the moment we will just set up opening and closing the door. This is the impulse setting. Press and hold the button on your hand transmitter that activates the door. The LED should show solid blue. Then after a number of seconds it will start to flash red and blue. Once it is flashing red and blue, you can tap the impulse button on the app. The LED on the gateway should flash blue slowly, then flash rapidly, then stop flashing. You can now release the button on the hand transmitter and the gateway should be coded in. The impulse option should no longer display for the device on your app, indicating that it has successfully accepted the code. Click OK and you should now see the status of your device. In this case, we can see that the door is open. Tap the circle button to activate your door. The app will also display the position of your door, and this can be queried at any time. It is also possible to set up the app to control your door from a remote location over the internet through the Hormann Gateway website. Please note, for safety reasons, if you want to operate your door when you can't physically see it, you must also have safety photocells installed on the operator.